Hello, it seems like a fair amount of you are having difficulty getting an image in your HTML site. So I just wanted to run this for you very quickly to show you an easy way to be able to do this. So you'll see that I have very standard information over here, HTML, right? And then my header is Monday Smiles. You'll see that over here. You can see the style and what I've written. There's italics here, right? You could see the HTML. Okay, now here's the important part. So we have IMG SRC. So I'm not exactly sure. I'm going with image source, right? So I've got my quotation marks right here. And normally this is where you would write some more HTML to tell the program where the image is located. But instead of doing that, we are going to come over here to Monday Smiles. I'm going to right click on this image and say copy image address. All right, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop that image address right here, paste, and it's not too long. Sometimes they're long enough you want to go to bit.ly and clean them up. And then I'm going to hit run. Look at that. There it is. Okay, so if you need to rewatch this, but this is how you're going to have success getting an image into your HTML.